Y'all ready to cook? Cause I'm hungry. What's up, team? Baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Doing good, but how y'all doing? Okay, you guys, let me take a chill pill because today I had some caffeine. So today, actually it's evening for me. I'm about to have some dinner and your girl is feeling hungry. So I've made a pasta dish for you before. I think I did red sauce. I cannot remember. But today we are doing a veggie pasta with bonza, which is loaded with protein. It was one of my favorite pastas, point blank. I'm gonna add some tempeh crumble, some vegan cheese, even though that sometimes makes me bloated, but it's so good, so we're still gonna put it on there. I have a little bit of broccoli, some zucchini, some garlic, of course. The Italianas always use garlic for everything. This is one of my thick recipes, slim thickums, because we are trying to gain some thickums over here. So I remember when I did that video what I eat to stay slim thick besides working out like an animal. Pasta is heavy and tempeh, and I'm using both those today. And those are some of my favorites. They really do the booty good, let me just tell you. So basically I'm just gonna tell you, it's super simple and easy. I cut up everything, I saute it, and I put it over pasta. It's like a meal under 30. So I'm just gonna show you what I cut up. I'm gonna saute it in my favorite seasonings as always, and then I'm gonna put it over pasta. And I will see you guys when it's done, because it's literally gonna take me like 10 minutes, minus boiling the water, putting the pasta in the water, etc. Okay, so I'll see y'all soon. What to do after I saute, I clear some space in the middle, and then I put some of my cooked pasta in there, and then I mix it up again with some liquid aminos and nooch, and it makes the pasta even more flavorful if you're not using marinara sauce. She's perfect. Good job, girl. Beauty. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's glowing like me, sis. It's glowing. Wow. The lighting is not in my favor right now. We're gonna try over here. Yes, look at her, she's beautiful. You guys, when I mean I don't fuck around, I mean I don't fuck around. This, probably you're gonna be like, wow, that looks like a lot of food, girl. Yeah, I eat, and I eat a lot. No gains lost, no gains missed. We have few more pounds I want to put on the thickness below. So I got a full plate here of full of vegans. The tempeh has loaded with protein. The pasta has 24 grams per serving. The broccoli has protein. Then I got avocado, my mushrooms, my vitamin D, my good fats. Ooh, the nutritional yeast has protein. Like, I don't want to hear it when you say vegans don't get protein. First of all, I would not have this slim thickness if I wasn't eating correctly. So give it a try. It was the easiest, fastest recipe I could have shown you. So I wanted to show you because there's no excuses. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this. And let me just... my God. Ladies, let me tell you, you gotta learn how to cook if you don't know how to. And men, it's really attractive when men know how to cook too. So please, get your skills together. Let me know what you want to know how to cook, because I will help a sister and a brother out. Because it's very attractive when someone knows how to cook. And when I mean cook, I mean throw it down in the kitchen. Now, this is a really simple recipe. I feel like pastas are really good for beginners, people who don't know how to cook. So go ahead and give this one a try and let me know what y'all think. But don't forget to comment below any recipes you want to know or any things that you want to know below, and I will think about making the video for you, because I love y'all so much. T, baby.